back to my channel. So today is my morning routine. It is kind of off because usually I take a shower when the dogs are outside, but they didn't want to go outside this morning. Well, they didn't want to go outside before I showered. So I'm thinking they want to go outside right now because Honey finally came downstairs. So let's see. So yesterday I was cleaning and I didn't have a chance to finish, but I had got some pampas grass yesterday. So I was trying to display it up here and like move stuff around. So this is what I have so far. So when my husband's home, I'm gonna move these because we're gonna put his Xbox right here, and then we're also planning on getting a Switch. So that will go right there. Oops. But I pretty much like the pampas grass versus these candle holder things. And then I just put 2 baskets in there, and then our games, and then our books. But I'm planning on putting the games and stuff to the Switch in these baskets. So I got my big thing of water and my coffee, and I'm gonna do some tidying up around the house and probably just watch a little bit of TV till it's 8 o'clock because it's still really early. It's only 7:16. So I think I might watch a little bit of TV and then I'll come over here and make myself something to eat. just taking it slow with cleaning and relaxing, but I'm getting the house done like little by little. I think it was last week I did a big clean, and then this week I'm doing little by little clean. I'm just cleaning like things here and there, so that way the house is ready for when my husband is home. So I'm doing like the whole homecoming cleaning or whatever. But I have a little area that I have set for him. I have this area right here. I just made this sign last night. It's just really simple. It says welcome home Justin. The dog's paws. And then I just put I love you. And then I'm gonna make him some red velvet the day before he comes, some cupcakes, and put them in there. And then I was thinking of putting like his gifts that I have for him upstairs down here already. And of course his TV is right here. So I'm thinking of putting the gifts right here right now. So this is what I have. I just have where I'm gonna put his pastries at, his sign, and then all his gifts. So I didn't have enough bags for his gifts, so I just like stuffed multiple like shirts in each bag. But I also have these for him that I didn't get a bag for. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna put them like that. So, or maybe I should put welcome home right here, like the day he comes. I'm thinking maybe I just put it right here instead of all the way over there. So I'm not really sure. I have a mess on the counter. It's for the vacuum, and then the dog's food. And that's for my vacuum.